Yes, Sarah, go ahead.
For awareness, we have identified a late braking possible conjunction with a fairly close miss distance to Dragon. As such, we do need you to immediately proceed with suit donning and securing yourselves in seats. We will be erring on the side of caution to get you guys into a better configuration. The time of closest approach for this event is at 17:43.
Copy, Sarah. You want us in the suit for a possible close call? Okay, we're getting in the suit and we copy all.
Copy, Thomas. Additionally, we will be bringing cameras back on board for awareness.
It's 2:45.
You just heard a call from the Corps to the crew aboard Crew Dragon. They were in their pre-sleep period getting ready for bed, but they've asked them to don their suits or put on those suits in preparation for a possible maneuver to avoid conjunction, meaning that there may be something that could come in contact with the Crew Dragon. Of course, they are going to monitor that and, if need be, take any action, but they expect the closest approach from that object would be at 17:43 GMT, so 10:43 a.m. Pacific time. So we'll be standing by and monitoring that as it approaches, but currently the crew is getting back in their suits. They, as mentioned, want to err on the side of caution, and as they continue to monitor that possible conjunction. As we were just discussing, the crew is donning their suits. They were originally in their pre-sleep period. However, putting those suits back on and getting into their seats because there is a potential conjunction. They are not planning to do a maneuver, but just donning their suits in case, erring on the side of caution. We are tracking this, and we will keep you up to date as soon as we know more details. Hi everyone, thanks for joining our continuous coverage of Crew Dragon's journey to the International Space Station after launching at 5:49 a.m. Eastern Time this morning. Crew Dragon has completed their first burn, and we have received information that there is probability of conjunction, meaning that there may be something coming in contact with the vehicle. So the crew was initially in their pre-sleep period and have been asked to don their suits out of caution. They will be in their suits and seats. The closest this object will come to Crew Dragon will occur at 10:43 a.m. Pacific time or 17:43 GMT. So we are standing by. There will not be a maneuver performed by Crew Dragon at this time.
Dragon SpaceX, no response required, 8 minutes to TCA.
Endeavour copies. PLT is suited and seated. Commander is suited and getting seated, and our MSs are getting in their suits now.
Copy all, Megan. Thank you.
That was the Corps here in Hawthorne speaking with pilot Megan MacArthur on Crew Dragon Endeavour, mentioning the TCA, the time of closest approach. That could come at 10:43 a.m. Pacific time, 17:43 GMT, and Megan MacArthur reporting back that she and Commander Shane Kimbrough are in their suits and seats, and that mission specialist Tama Pesquet and Aki Hoshide are taking their seats as well. Crew has been asked to do this as a precaution. We are standing by as they continue to track this object.
Dragon SpaceX, for awareness, we will be taking commands to power on the suit fan for you.
Copy.
Hi everyone, for awareness, a late-breaking potential conjunction was identified with a high uncertainty. We are tracking that potential conjunction, the time of closest approach being at 17:43 GMT or 10:43 a.m. Pacific time, so coming up in about 5 minutes now. We just heard the Corps call to the crew that they're turning on their suit fans, going to keep them cool as the crew is now in their suits and in their seats as a precaution. We're standing by to learn more about what this potential object is or the size, and we will report to you as soon as possible. Hi everyone, we are tracking a potential conjunction, a piece of debris that has the chance to come in close proximity to Crew Dragon. The crew are seated and in their suits. They will be asked to lower their visors as a precaution. This time of closest approach of this piece of debris time of closest approach could come up in about 1 minute, 10:43 a.m. Pacific time, 17:43 GMT.
Dragon SpaceX, for awareness, we believe the object is farther away than anticipated, lower risk of possible conjunction, but please ensure visors are closed and zippers are closed prior to TCA in approximately 20 seconds.